So, 3 cracking bulbs for autumn pots. This is Acidanthera murielae with beautiful nodding white flowers with a purple splodge, lovely scent. This is Gladiolus papilio, more muted colours, but if you tip it up, it's really beautiful inside with those markings. And then finally, this beast at the back, this is a Crinum. This is Crinum moorei, and you do need a pretty big pot actually to keep these happy. But it lifts it up so you get all the scent at the right height. It's lovely. Now the Acidanthera and the papilio, very happy outside in a warm sunny spot. And if you went for Crinum powellii, the more garden version of this, that's pretty hardy. That would be fine outside in a pot too. Now the time to buy these would be in the spring, obviously, when they're dormant. You wouldn't get them this autumn because they should be flowering now. But yeah, I find they all do really well in pots.